Welcome to the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. And in this part, we're going to create a mask of the Luminance channel. We're going to stretch it. So the first thing we want to do is we don't want to touch the clone that we made because we've already done the ABE to it. What we want to do is we want to make another clone. So now we've got a clone, or clone squared. And we're just going to minimize the original clone, put it over here, and we'll bring this one up and over. And we're tracking that one and it's looking good. And what we're going to want to do is use our HistogramTransformation function. And we're going to want to stretch this pretty heavily because this is going to be a mask after all. So we're going to come down here to clone, select that in our view. We're going to take this stretch off the screen transfer function and we're going to pop it onto our histogram transformation. We're going to open up a preview, unstretch. Now let's zoom in with the mouse wheel. And we're going to try to eliminate as much of the noise in the background as possible, while keeping the nebula and everything bright. So we're going to just take our black point and we're just going to move it over. We could move it way over, but I like to take it about right about there. Should be good. Tighten that in a little bit. I'm just going to right about in there somewhere. That should be good. That'll give us some decent protection on the stars and the nebula and remove a lot of the noise. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to apply it. Close out the preview. I'm going to zoom in and look. And looks like we're pretty decent on that. So now that that mask is completed, next up we'll be doing some deconvolution. So we'll get into that here in the next part. So with that, I'm going to say thanks everybody for watching. Hope you found it informative. As always, clear skies. Have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.